favor, divine favor. Nyankopɔn anim adom. Ewiase obi a hwɛ de bɛn adom. Sɛ adom bi amwa kwan mu a obɛbrɛ ankasa. Ewiase obrɛ na wodi ɛyɛ. Na mo abrɛ ni nyinara na sɛ bibi afiri mu ama ehyɛ bi afiri mu ama na ɔbra no na ayɛ atete guto na ho ne mfaso. Nanso deɛ ka ne sɛ wabra ba wo bo nyinara hwɛ sɛ onyame ɔbɔ wo ba asase so no wonya ne nkyɛn adom bi ana sɛ wiase a wonam yi wonnante kɛkɛ sɛ si a wɔ ha yi sɛ ɔpani bi nkyɛn adom a sɛ ne sitie sɛ ɔwɔ kurom hene nkyɛn adom a sɛ ne sitie wowɔ ma pani sɛ oniw wagye watom wɔn so agyina tom na wahyɛ ɔbɔ sɛ ɔbɛboa wo na sɛ wɔwɔ yi sɛ wowɔ ɔmampani ho adom a wotumi kɔ ne nkyɛn a sɛ ne sitie wono papa te fie wono maame te fie na sɛ wowɔ mu nkyɛn adom a sɛ ne sitie eti deɛ kan sɛ wobɛyɛ wafɛ mu deɛ wobɛyɛ deɛ sɛ woyɛ deɛ wonyaa ɛma papa wonyaa ma pani wonyaa ma wo kurom hene wonyaa ma apani ana wonyaa me Nyankopɔn na mmom wo mmɔden ba wo bo nyinara sɛ nyame adom wɔ so a it's a different ball game altogether. Another make what do you say what saw them I say yɛn nyinaa ɛba asɔre nanso bu hɔ no mu adan and now say for many years since abɔ bradan or menkyɛn adom awɔ hiadeɛ bi a yɛsi bi a meyi mu o ne mo sɛ nipa korɔ no free the day baabi ɔkodu wɔ makoma dan ɛyɛ mmerɛ wosɛ bu hɔ no mu a woyɛ ne papa ɛmmerɛ obi nso adan ɛden one much jiko oh say what if you say o papa ono maame o say o papa etua school fees a ma ne nya mmere ana eso otua na say dey otua na mos wa pobre bi a wonya papa enche adom a otua school fees dey eya ni die so no krotia and I said ohwew oboawo oyebibia ne mo so odesu ban bi adi na nya kru encha adom a on say top money no grabo mere anso po ne dey e dia mawo ye no ma bi ka encha adom no de ye nyina den ye hia ye ho ne ye ho adom ne mo de twam nyina se dey ye hia Nyankopɔn nkyɛn de ban one fan to us adom na no me kyerɛ ye ka adom a adom ne sɛn na me bɔle tofa na mato us. Number 1, when a man is selected for something good among many qualified counterparts kyerɛ sɛ ye nyinaa ye yie no obi asɛ obi afata obi adi ahimade eye yie cause yi ahofefo ɛwɔ man no mu ne de esa ɛka ho wo mu nyinaa edware wo mu esiesie mu etu hwa obi nkyɛn obi na sɛ ɔhene yi Esther adum ne de adomo no ɔna fam de edware ɔna fam de esiesie no ho nas adie no hini hu ya oyi Esther busa said adom a grace adom when a man is chosen for a position is not naturally qualified for especially among others that are far better than him. And which they say, David, ye shouldn't near moi, or be a second channel, and to only the one city to go bones. Now make them, they say, penny for then a mere quad way. They say, hey, now David, now walk without a then you say, but do near muscle. The David Bakani said, the David Bakani said, a yard do. Now, who did you who are home? Joseph, a dear no, yeah, Yami a son and I, Emma Joseph, baby, could read. Never said Joseph and Joseph. Then Yami and one. Walk like it one. A more betty wouldn't your money now, so. The Joseph can say, a yard do. And to our proud bomono. As so to me as I said, where the Yamiado. Yam sure my proud bomoa. Met back in kind. I do me be. Etina, then I have met the atomuna. I don't. So the and then you or the HM, the whole Ghana, the best song of the year. I don't. Also the best music, gospel music. And then the whole Ghana's artists in your day. Oh no, yeah. To share the way. Don't. Obi a hwebe bi o say free here. Me papa e dey sawoso bebrebe. Ni papa di 65 years. Ye be okọ pension. Awe ka okọ pension dey owuye. Ye kakraka o kuma sister no say dey abofra ni papa Africa obedi de na papa afri mu na ka ni maame. Nanso hwebe bia nyame apagina dey akodu dey. One make it a settle record. On call when you're nine, and I'm Adum. It is a Adum not or told, I do not Adum or told home a day. When you want dance here. The guy said, hey, Adum. It's young so could do per so be a. One shall say, me name dear, me young son, as what you must say, where dear, hey, Adum. It's just by grace. It's just by grace. Nyame na what can I come home? Na comedy come home. See, when a man sits in the face of God in prayer, have all his requests granted. Then Nyame be away. Jabez, but time your woman, but one day was a day. I be say baby, as a tucha. Okonyame ko bomb pie. The no master sign. So the no master saying, it can say, where the day a yard tongue. Then you know, me them Obia, Betimaka, Obia, shall say what I saw them. I say, now be young me to Obia could Robia, Macan said, a yard tongue. Anna, me baby, the Betimaka can say, it's a short, hey. Many headache. Yamiadum, because me shake, baby, Yamia Pena could draw. It's all no or tenants are not. I could be so. A yardum. And me say, Adumo, then you can't dear dance here day. Giving yardum. It the blessings of divine favor. It I don't know about so. A dear Saturday, a day about so. Genesis 39:20 was saying. But the Lord was with Joseph and showed his steadfast love and gave favor in the sight of the keeper of the prison. God's favor brings a lot of blessings upon man. Just say, Onyame Anton Bawosua, and the shall be a Bawosu. Yansha Joseph, baby, o koye be a fierce day. It's not Bawosu. Throughout. Perfect Piera say, I don't know Bawosua, and found baby, I was share. It's not Bawosu. That's number 2. Bring restoration of everything the enemy has stolen. Bring restoration of what? Everything the enemy has stolen. Exodus 3:21. And I give this favor, this is for favor, the Sadducees. When you go, you shall not go empty. Hey! Israel for Jew for year Juma, Ferris mean Tiamaka. A Juma din mean Tiamaka. No problem. A man Yakupo a yoma free honor. The Kuno air. What the Adinu each the phone Akumum. And to be Israel for me, we say, Pia. Come, dear man. As I would teach you. Na fear say two. Na soon two. Na see two. Na feel when you're done with two. Na say fear make you be trouble. Kofira, Miko, Nemo, Boy, Madame, and many other day. I can't 1,000 some no more 2,000. Fear, Mamma Sophia said, Pebbles is a baby and I won't use it. And Camille out top. Oh, fuck up. Don't say better. I will share yesterday. Rent a weekend in our day. Was I day? At the amount, I'm a day, Abroso. Because, nay, I say, I don't. I don't know. It's see. Tell see what Egypt. Say, I'm no more afraid, dear Naday. Oh, it is a monk to my mum, baby. Won't come out as some year. Won't come out as some year. Now, Baba said, in your compound. And the rest are doing it. Egypt for an akumamu. When pipe on the say, Obia, why you do mamma no one tree our car? Obia, or do a car one tree, ye. Obia, as so bow, want to be a war. Nyankopon adom amra wo so na akatua on tua amana monoso. That is it. The grace of God, when it brings pressure upon your life, all that you have lost, you get it back. Amen. And I believe it. Me, the idea that massage. I do it today. And she bo hanuma. Me saka. Hey. Nyame me dance. Enti saa do no ba so a ne wa hwe bia dan wo sabeka. Enti de wa hwe bia adum nti wo sabeka wo Yesu Kristo din mo. Me se de wa hwe bia adum te dan wo sabeka wo Yesu Kristo din mo. Bring honor in the midst of adversaries. Hwe Nyankopɔn se na adum eba wo so a watamfo atwa ho ahia yesu no ahyew animonyam o se wo to me plan den matamfo den anim se nyame adom wo so a no watamfo ne hwehwɛ no emma mu da biara da tebe watamfo ho was mamu se we se bo ne dua anka no dem dai nyina kwa no akoso wo se yes ya adumuntra Menyame adom mna wo so na de otamfo hwe biara emma mu de biara da wo Yesu Kristo din mu na ehun say yes otamfo hwe no den amma mu de biara da Exodus chapter 11 verse 13 And the Lord gave the people favor the southern Egyptians. Moreover, the man Moses was very great, the Lord of Egypt, the son of Pharaoh's servant, in the sight of the people. Hey, Moses. Next, produce increased assets. So, Yankopon, now do about Sua. Islam, a two each other. So, to be a one more. Oh, yeah, no above them. Oh, yeah, no above them. There's a two more Sua day. Oh, maybe another day. Oku anim na aku anim na aku anim na aku anim etu su achi a bibi kese bi esi de na so hwa you are better than last year ana twisi nyame si apo adai ko se nyame da ase wa dum o muso ko se wo se me no ba dan e doso me bank account e be ka ho na se so tia na eti de na se asem ko a what can Deuteronomy chapter 23 verse 23 or Deuteronomy 33 verse 23? Oh, Naphtali, Satan with favor, and foolish husband with favor, and the full blessings of the Lord possess the lake and the south. But Naphtali, was in Yankopon. I'm not doing up some and up brosso. Satan with favor said, fully satisfied. Yami Adam Bausua, could do us you can't see me prayer request grandpas and I'm going to hear me. Once a day, Yami do could do penso pia, do obedient, do obanum, do befra, baby abba die. Hey, I do attitude. Obu ati na ben betua be bosu na ketua. Rent. E ben betua school fees. Nyame fa kudu penso bia. Ni obedie, di obenom, di obefra, be bia obeda. Enye dadwe mo de bia da wo Yesu so. Se nyame adom ba so a, sa ne do koduro. Sa ne do koduro. Nyame so e be yesa wo Yesu so de. What's the give great and unusual victories even against impossible odds. Just nyame adom oso a wuti enkunindi be epo akwanu a just obi anwene won so da ye mfa wo krampo ene say wo hwe se emra Israelfo elko the land of Canaan no go to Jericho na afeso etwa Jericho ho ahia no beso mo ekodi nkunim kwa beso some meden so go war city mu a how do penetrate and so mo an entwa Jericho so dey o mo tibi anko the other lands dey anko possess na hwe Israelfo etwa afeso no hia etwa hia na Jericho fo ahwe Jericho yi no makwaba Jericho fo yi no was omudu omu fell Jericho fo yi after do the 13 times on the last day no they shout fino ko fo na dan wo ni nye dan ego nyame ebedi wani ama watia ejiemu bia die anuma bia ekutia wo wona nwi so bedi enkunim no enkunim bebo akwa mu Yesu Kristo timo enkunim die ayadom na kasedi enkofo story ti awo no ti obusia fo story ti awo no to na fo story ti awo no awatime free mu ayadom aduna dai adom tumo etutukwa bi a wo hia edima wo amani bi a wo hia edima wo sa adono eba edunkunidie ba wo Yesu Kristo demo enti ehu bebre na metwam akọ how to activate divine favor. Mature the description of divine favor and mature what divine favor brings. You see me share how to activate it. Say adumi better na wo say akasa adumi so can say adumi de enye hwe wo ha na abadomo mati wo ha na abadomo me can be say wo you afemu die na mo hwe wo afemu die a wa ye no a nye no so akatua na osa akai wanya mna broso. I just said there's something divine. Eso abrabo no dai. Yes, oh we there every be sam yeti na dai menya we. Akwodi kuta boy kuta wo no say no. Anya minya se we nyame na dai adom me a de bia metiri sori ekoba dai eya adom. The guys adom a I mean just say oto sasho de me fam na tifie adom abuami o be se dem osu adom ma so they say it's because that when you do the natural, God does the supernatural. So we ye di nipa eya onyankopon so ye di nyankopon de eye etu ye nipa fam it how do you activate divine favor? Number 1, can Deuteronomy chapter 28 verse 1 and 2 say the life of obedience. Do whatever God says. God favors those who are obedient and careful to obey Him. When the Yakopon akabie there, ye, the shadow. nyame ka se da na hwɛ no ka se tuaroma na hwɛ no ti de nyame aka afu abrabɔ ho no ye wo afam de na gade aka ma nyame ana so wo ye afam de a nyame so dai be na afam de. Number 2, walk righteously. Psalm 5 verse 12. Not what I see him. It's wo a wo hwe adone wo se wo bebia ye de etere wo afam de how best you know. When say we enya menko ho na se wo afam de a nyame so dai obetro so into the life of a favorite person. Hebrews chapter 7 verse 6. Obi enyame ehira no hey wo hira no a ehira no ba so wonti ase Abraham nyame hira Abraham na do ho bo Abraham a ehira ba so enkofo bo mo ye fertile grounds kofo mo so ye dry grounds. Ebi oni kakra me nka bebre asofu gina so edis ka bebre bezu de se majesika genti the American say nyame ansa wo bi so na se wo bibi ma sen papro no a adona dai bi ba so be faithful wo de di no kra. Noah found favor with God due to what? His faithfulness. Kitwe bi ebe obiere dinukro mu ba na se ba dinukro mu God organ se ba dinukro mu anyu na se to a dinukro de dinukra se di wini biara na hwe de nyame be ye be submitted Nyankopon bro ho aseme Nyankopon be humble osi Nyankopon dey o ma adom abadum mo dey mpam wase. God give grace to the humble. 2% Nyankopon adumi ebe locate wo a transo ahobrase moto bro ho ase man chiro ho be no kra be honest be bia dey dinukro na hwe ya bebe ye last but not least get wisdom for nyansa etenase nyansa nyame dia ma wo no fa bo bra na hwe ya bebe ye enti afi se si ekoju ebiye next week ni akwere July just the first 6 months a day ye twa 6 months I come me pai kwa de say adu be free so day abentomo amen yeti aye for July we say day living by faith despite prevailing circumstances. Amen. July living by faith despite prevailing circumstances. Trust it. And found the entire worship biara. And found the worship biara. And found the apostle biara. Snasu wejidiye. Amen. Enti July ni August. Ibi sebi biya for jidiye mo. The Bible said be jidiye. Neni sese sa adumi. Wodi jidiye eka ho. Na wa ma bibia antu sintidia ebu abam na ejira wo gidie mu a afi be ko na wie de wo be dia dance a chi Nyankopon mo nya ana me gidie ze se no ye be to na mo bi gidie na mo me se be den ye tu gidie anamo na se gidie anamo de be konkunim die mo te Bible study ye be no for 8 weeks a day nim no next week de ye be bo bibia tofa de so na ni nyina pon tofa nemom if you akwa ye be shegidie anamo otuomo near the gidi etu the remaining half of the year because person afi ko na wie no nim say afi ko na wie no ne nyame bibia wonye o maseche mu da biara da wa hyase na se bi si ko msere be du be wele ho sere nyame woni me diri yie me pai bo sa du be ba so gina ho ye mo pass nyame mo wadom la me so na me ntugidi anamo ekodu awieye ntugidi anamo Ekodure ye bo sampa no Yakupon beka ho. Bo pa pa na ba ko mo atu gidia na mo. Wo mpa ba da biara da. Hwehwe. You are from dear. The nuclear merade. The nuclear merade or say, live a life of obedience. Walk righteously. Sow the life of a favorite person. Be faithful. Be righteous. Be blameless. Be submissive. Be humble. Be honest. Be wise. So you are from dear. Edi nuclear. Abro wase. The nyansa ho place. Etrase. Edi nyansa trasia. Baby ashe biara. Yakupon adon dey. Baba tomo. Baba tomo. Bompa yesa. Bompa yesi nyame adoma tomo. Na the next half of the year okay. Bibi si wasi chiremo. Adum peja kudum pepe so bia won say yes. Nyame no wadi ni ye wode say kan wan kasa kasa. Bosampa yem.